What's up, awesome percussion people? We're going to be going through the song Rio Con Brio today. I'm going to play it first, and then I'm going to go through some practice techniques afterwards. As always, if this helps, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. All right, folks, we're going to be playing the SD part. Make sure it's the top line of the second stave. So right off the bat, we've got ourselves a right hand flam. In this song, you've got flams, you've got buzzes, and you've got accents. So anytime you have a right hand or left hand flam, make sure that stick comes up and the other hand stays low, about 1 inch off the drum. Practice that in both hands. If you're unsure how to perform this technique, go back to earlier sessions in my video series and you'll learn more about it. Link for that is in the description. The accents in the song occur at about 6 inches off the drum. You can also choose to play them a little lower and more velocity, but I would suggest raising the stick and letting the height of the stick do the work. Right in the middle of my tutorial screen is the accent. It's a little high on the Smart Music screen, but that should occur about 6 inches off the drum. Make sure you practice that in both hands. The last technique in this song that you'll see is a buzz. That Z is going to be a one-handed buzz roll for as long as you can before the next beat occurs. So if you just take it out of context and just play the left-hand buzz, it'll sound like this. Okay? And so when you put it in context with the measure, it'll go left, right, and then an accent on the right hand. So before we get out of here, make sure that you are in control of your sticks and you practiced all of these techniques separately. Each one of these techniques, think of it as a new button for a wind player. It all takes its own specific practice time and your own bit of control, learning it in your time alone before you try and record. If this helps, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you all. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.